Hey guys, what's up? My name's Reanne. I live in Japan, and today we're going to be checking out Japan's Pokemon themed ice cream. So I'm super excited about this one because I'm a huge Pokemon fan. I just got a new microphone. It's so tiny, but it works really good. I just got it on Amazon. Alright, so hopping right into the voiceover using my new microphone, we're going to go over how I get to the train station. So I ride my bike all the way over there, passing by pretty much everything from grocery stores to restaurants. And luckily for me, the train station is only like a 10-minute bike ride. So when I arrive at the station, I have to park my bike. So I purchased one ticket for my one bike, and it's only 110 yen. So it's really, really cheap and super convenient considering it's right next to the station. So I made it on the train, and right now I'm heading over there. I just wanted to give you guys a quick glimpse of what a Japanese train system looks like. It has a window right next to you, so you can have a scenic view as you're riding from town to town. I think I'll be doing a video on how to ride the trains over here. So yeah, let's go get some ice cream. Alright guys, we just made it to the spot. Right now I'm in Ebinha. I'm about to be heading over to the Baskin-Robbins that's over here, and that's where they're going to have the ice cream. Ebinha is a really, really fun place. I think it's super underrated. For as much as I go here, I always find more things to do. Now, I just wanted to take a moment to appreciate how in Japan, pretty much everyone here wears a mask, and that's why the number is really, really low. So please, if you're watching this and you're going places, wear a mask, not only for your own safety, but for the safety of other people who are really high at risk. Okay, so I got to the Baskin-Robbins, and let's just start off with how cute they decorated the place. Everything was so perfect. They had so many layers and attention to detail, and as a Pokemon fan, I was really, really, really in love with the place. Here's where things went wrong. So I was a dummy. I didn't know that you could not pay with card over there. You can only pay with Pasmo or cash. I'm running to the ATM so I can get more yen. Alright, so I have worse news than before. The ATM over there didn't take my card, so I'm heading over to 7-Eleven, where I could always trust it'll take my card. This video is a disaster so far. So I got to 7-Eleven and they did accept my card as my money, yeah. Also, I got these Pikachu treats and I started running so fast so I can get to the lady in time. The ice cream was melting. I felt super duper bad. It was a mess. Also, not to mention I got lost. I made it. So this was a journey, to say the least. Let's see how these flavors look, and we'll open this box up. Alright, so they put dry ice in there so that way it would stay cold. There's 6 flavors here. These 2 right here are the notorious Pikachu flavored ice cream. Basically, it comes with this pamphlet called the Flavor Journal. It'll show you what flavor Pikachu is, which is cola, soda, and melon. And these are all the other flavors as well. On the inside, it'll show you the different kinds of things you can order. So you can actually order a Pikachu or Eevee cake. So personally, I got the 2 Pikachu flavors, lemon, mint chip, cookies and cream, and this one up here says like charcoal dream. When I first opened this up, I didn't expect there to be dry ice, so I accidentally dropped some and then I sat on it. It actually came with 6 little spoons. I'm only going to be using 1. Alright, so first let's get into this flavor right here. This is supposed to be the main Pikachu flavored ice cream. It is really sweet. It's actually pretty good though. I like it. I don't think I would order it again though. It kind of tastes like what a Slurpee would taste like, but in ice cream form. Because it has cola in there, it has soda, and then there's like a lot of the melon flavor. I would rate this like a 7. It's just a little too sweet for me. I'm trying to find another one of the Pikachu so I can show it on the camera. There's not really that many in there. But yeah, this is what it looks like. Let's go over to the next Pikachu flavor. This one is more yellow and has a hint of red and black, like his red blush cheeks and his black end of the tail. I think this one definitely represents Pikachu a little bit more than the other one. Oh, that's crazy. That's really good. The little specks of red, it's like Pop Rocks. fizzle in your mouth. It's really good. They have specks of chocolate in there too. Definitely rating this an 8 out of 10. I can't say these two flavors were bad. So these are the two we just ate so far right here. And now I'm gonna be digging into this mint and chip, which is personally my favorite flavor. When you order this pack of ice cream, you can actually choose what flavors go into the 6 slots. So obviously, the mint and chip is really good. 10 out of 10. Would recommend. I love it. You know what's crazy is that they put each one of the ice creams into, it's like a cupcake holder. Yeah, which I think was a really cute idea. Let's dig into this lemon flavor now. I took a huge scoop of this one. I'd give that one a 9 out of 10. It's super creamy, super soft. It has a really good citrusy taste to it. So now I just dug into this cookies and cream ice cream. This gets a 10 out of 10 too. The last flavor that we're gonna dig into right now is the one that I've been kind of looking forward to the most, other than the Pikachu flavors, is this right here. It's the black one. It's supposed to be charcoal flavored ice cream. I don't really like that much. It tastes like gives you a little after flavor of coffee. I give that like a 0 out of 10. I can't stop eating their lemon ice cream though. This one, so good. Overall, this Pokemon ice cream set from Baskin-Robbins in Japan was really cute, really fun, and I loved it a lot. The Pikachu flavors are delicious. I highly recommend this one. It comes in such a cute packaging. You can enjoy this with pretty much anybody. Definitely recommend it if you're visiting Japan. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. It really means a lot to me. I recently hit 500 subscribers, so that means so much to me. That's so crazy. Just let me know if you guys have any video suggestions or things that you want me to do. I'll be making a lot more videos soon, so look forward to it. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos. Bye.